How to enable lossless audio on Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. In here, simply click on Settings and Privacy. After you're in Settings and Privacy, in here, scroll down and click on Media Quality. In Media Quality, you will find Lossless Audio option, which will be below Very High. After you find one, you can simply click on it and it will enable lossless audio. It is not available in my region. As you can see, lossless is only available in some countries like Australia, Austria, Denmark, Germany, and others. If it's not available in your region, it may be available soon. And this is how to enable lossless audio on Spotify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.